Hang on to your hats, folks. We're checking out a 1968 Ford Bronco Custom SUV brought to you by Maxlider Brothers Customs. This particular custom Bronco four-door is known as a Clydesdale, and in 1968, Broncos didn't make four-doors. This is a four-door Suicide Door Custom 1968 Bronco. Hang on your hats. Stay tuned for more, only here, exclusively on Muscle Cars with Eric. Look at those suicide doors. This is off the chain cool. Again, only here, exclusive Muscle Cars with Eric YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more.